Hello everyone, hope you all are well. So today in this video I am going to discuss about the best country for setting up a business. So without wasting your time, let's get start this video. So the best country for setting up a business depends on your target market. It also depends on your budget, depends on your product, and also depends on your personal preferences, but there are several countries which are suitable for easy of doing business. Those countries are number 1 Singapore, number 2 New Zealand, number 3 Denmark, number 4 United States of America, number 5 United Kingdom, number 6 Hong Kong, number 7 is United Arab Emirates. Those countries are suitable for setting up business, and those countries are suitable for easy of doing business because of their good business policies. So you can set up your business in those countries according to your requirement. So that's the end of this video. I'll come again with another new topic. Till then, goodbye.